If you're running an e-commerce store in Australia and using Afterpay or Zip for your customers, then syncing those payments with Xero is an absolute game changer. It helps you save heaps of manual work and keeps your accounts tidy. So in this video, we're going to show you how to connect Afterpay and Zip with Xero so everything flows automatically. So here's the deal. Both Afterpay and Zip let your customers pay in installments, but for your accounting, you still need to track the full sale and payments correctly. So Xero makes it easier once you set up the integration. So first, simply head over to your Xero dashboard and make sure you have your accounts receivable and bank accounts set up. So you simply need one bank account for Afterpay deposits and one for Zip. Or you can also track them both in a single account, whatever works best for your workflow. Next, let's tackle Afterpay. So Afterpay has a native integration, or you can also use a connector app. So once connected, sales from Afterpay automatically push into Xero as invoices or as payments, so depending on how you actually configure it. So usually, you want Afterpay to create invoices in Xero for each sale, mark them as paid when Afterpay deposits hit your account, and apply any transaction fees automatically. That way, you're not manually reconciling dozens of orders. Now Zip also works in a similar way. Simply connect your Zip merchant account to Xero through the integration. Then simply make sure you map the sales to the correct income account and the fees to an expense account. So this ensures your profit reports in Xero reflect the net income after fees. And one thing to watch out for, both Afterpay and Zip deposit funds after a short delay. So your Xero invoices might show as unpaid until the funds hit your bank. But by using a payment reconciliation workflow in Xero, you can fix this. So you simply need to match the deposits to the invoices and the system automatically clears them. And also for tax purposes, remember that GST still applies to the full sale, even if the customer pays in installments. Xero also handles this automatically when you set up the tax codes on your income accounts correctly. So in short, simply connect Afterpay and Zip to Xero using the integration or a connector app. Then map sales to income accounts and fees to expense accounts. Then reconcile deposits with invoices when funds hit your bank, and keep GST accurate for your BAS reporting. And that's it. So once it's set up, you barely even have to touch it. Your Xero books will reflect Afterpay and Zip payments automatically, saving you tons of time every month. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.